best section of Primark, a Christmas nightshirt. First Christmas purchase of 2019. So cute, I love this one. I can just tell it's so Christmassy already. This is actually the best thing I've seen all day. So nice, I'm definitely going to get that. Hi everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a new in a Primark video and I'm literally so excited. We've literally just got to Primark and I cannot wait to look inside. I've just seen a Christmas tree outside and I think they're going to have all their new Christmas stuff in, so I just can't wait. I just love a cozy video, so if you're like me and you love a cozy video then definitely stick around and subscribe. So let's just get on with the video and have a look inside. The best section of Primark. Oh my gosh, so excited. I just can't wait. I'm just blown away already. So excited. This is really cute. It's like a little cozy pajama set with an eye mask. That's really nice for like a present at Christmas. Someone's obviously been trying to get in there to see what it feels, but oh, that is so soft. Oh my goodness, that is literally so soft. Wow, I really like that. £15 for the whole set. That's so good. How nice is this as well? A little dressing gown and socks. These are such cute presents for Christmas. Like, how cute. If anyone saw my last new in Primark video, then I got this set in pink and I literally never take it off. It's the comfiest thing ever. The whole set is £8 for the top and the bottoms, so I might actually get it in grey because I literally never take off the pink one. Here it is, literally £8. How cute. You get the whole set with the top and the little fluffy bottoms. The little pyjama set is so cute as well. £7 for the top and the bottom. I actually feel like that's kind of Christmassy as well because it has the checked bottoms. That is so cute. Onesies are back in Primark. Wow, £15. This is literally the softest thing I've ever felt. So cute. It says look at my hood. It has a little bear hood. Is it a polar bear? That is the cutest thing ever. How fluffy is that? I really like that night shirt, Christmas night shirt. How much is it? That is so cute. £9. That is just so cute. I love that. A little set there is actually the cutest thing ever. I need to go touch that. It was a bit disappointing actually. It's not as soft as it looks, so no, not really feeling that. Love that dressing gown. It's literally, nothing could be softer than that. Wow. Oh my goodness. I think I need a new dressing gown. That is so cute. £15. Oh my god, I'm in the best section ever. The slippers. How cute are these? Little Mary foam slippers, £4. And then, wait for these. They are so Christmassy. I love those. These ones are £5. Literally cannot beat the Primark fluffy socks. They're an absolute classic as well. £1 each. They're just the best like stocking filler at Christmas. And they have little boot versions as well, which are £7. These are the slippers that I usually get and they usually only have grey and pink. And I think they've bought these for Christmas. Wow. I love those. They are the comfiest things ever and they're only £4. What can beat it really? Oh, they've got little Rudolph the reindeer slippers. How cute is that? So we're going to start in the jumper section because jumpers are just my favourite thing. And this is the jumper that I wear the grey one all the time of. I actually really like that. It's kind of like a baby pink colour. I might get that because I will literally never take this jumper off. I have it in like baby kind of colour grey. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. I'm definitely going to get that. Amelia has one of these from ASOS. £13 as well. That's like completely Christmas jumper, isn't it? So they also have these kind of little bobbly jumpers. These are also, oh no, these are £10. Even that outfit they've paired together is so cute, isn't it? Yeah, that's good. I wonder if they have that skirt in here somewhere. They must do. So nice. This is also really cute. This is like the dress version of the jumper. I don't know how much that is. £15. That's so good for like a wintry jumper dress. I love that. It reminds me of something Lucy Jessica Carter would wear if anyone watches her. This skirt is also really nice, really cozy, although they only have a random size 14. I don't actually know where this is in the store, but I feel like that's really cute. Imagine if you had like a matching co-ord to that. That would be so nice. I'm just going to give you a little outfit of the day. So I've got this red jacket on from Primark, misguided bodysuit, Topshop straight leg jeans, and then Primark trainers. So we are repping the Primark in store today. These as well, which I just think are so cute, you know, for like a work Christmas party or something, if you got everyone to wear these. I think that's so cute. Definitely Christmas. I actually really like that top. The Elf one. Yeah, I like that. Because my favourite movie is Elf at Christmas. Not just at Christmas really, any time of the year, but I feel like that's such a cute top to be wearing with it. £5, I mean not out the house, but just for watching the movie. Primark is definitely the place to go for your Christmas jumper this year. They literally have so many jumpers. So we're just about to head to the accessory section. I just love everything about Primark. Like every section I go to I'm like getting so excited. I just love the Christmassy vibe in here as well. It's just getting me so excited to like go Christmas shopping. Wow, can't wait for that. So I feel like Primark have really picked up the beauty section. Like I got my mum one of these face masks and she said it was really nice, so I'm really excited about all of these bits. They've got a sleeping face mask there. Got some really good wrapping stuff over here. Got little cards. I might get these cards, they're only £1. How cute are they? How many? 20 cards for £1, wow. And they've got nice little bags. They've got it all. They are literally the cutest, and I feel like all of this kind of thing will get really expensive and like will sell out near the time, so gonna get that. First Christmas purchase of 2019. What else have they got? Oh, they've got a little Christmas gift box. How nice is that to put all your presents in? So apparently the velvet plush leggings from here, they look like this. Recommended by Morgan, you would have seen in my last Primark video, but apparently they're amazing and I still haven't tried them. So if they've got my size this time, I might get, they do. I don't know if I'd need small or extra small. What size is small? I'll get really confused with Primark's sizing. How cute are those socks? They're just the cutest thing ever. Oh, they have little bells on them. That'd be really annoying, but so cute. So we're now in the socks section and the tights section. I just feel like Primark socks are the best. My socks are not anyone else's, but they just go. They just literally go missing. Like I literally put them in the wash, never see them again. I'm always wearing old socks, so every single time I come to Primark I've got to pick up the ankle socks because I just need to. Accessories, and this bag, look how nice this bag is. Scarlett has this bag, my friend, and it literally is huge, like coming back from uni and stuff. It's only £10, I literally love that. I really like this bag as well. How much is this one? £4 this is. How nice is that for a little bag for a night out? I love that. Literally the one pair of earrings that I like out of all of them. They are so cute. I really like those. Might get, oh, they've got them in silver as well. They are really cute, only £1.50. This is kind of what they're looking like on. You can't really see in this mirror. Also now found these ones, and we're going on holiday at Christmas. I think those are really cute for Christmas Day, like quite a big statement one. Yeah, I know. So we're out looking in the coat section. This is actually my favourite section ever. How nice is this? I don't think I've seen one with a hood like this. I've seen them like this, like the bottom bit, but I haven't actually seen one with a little top bit like that. £25, that is so cute. So nice for winter. Yes, something like this. I feel like this is so cute. Oh, honestly, that is the softest thing ever. That's kind of what I meant. I really like that. It might not look nice on, but I may try it on. I also like this coat as well. My friend has this one, and I think this one's just like a classic. I like that one as well. This is the first fluffy one I saw. I actually think this is so cute. It's actually quite dressy. I could just feel like for a meal. So if you're wearing like little heels, that'd be really cute. And it's honestly the softest thing in the world. How much is this one? I don't actually know how much it is. Let's have a look. £20. So cute. I love this one. This is the other white one. I quite like this one. It's kind of, I feel like I'd need to get a smaller size. This one's a medium. The other one was a medium as well, but this just feels quite long. I feel like it was more like there. That'd be nicer, but it is really cute. So just heading upstairs now to the home section. I'm just so excited. I literally, the Primark home section is just my favourite thing ever. You haven't actually been in the bag yet, Mum? Sorry. I can just tell it's so Christmassy already. Oh my gosh, I'm literally blown away. Oh my goodness, look at all those decorations. Wow. These decorations are literally so cute and they look so expensive. They're all about £2.50 each, so they are so cute. Oh, they've got a little Peter Pan one. That is so cute. They've got so many cute Christmas decorations. They've literally got every colour. They've got kind of stuff for a white and silver tree, or you could go gold, or they've got like rose gold, and they've also got kind of this like orangey colour, which I actually really like. And they've also got these big packs of baubles as well. That is so nice. I feel like that's just so Christmassy. I love that. Wow. What is this? Oh, it's a duvet cover. Look at this duvet cover. Oh my gosh, imagine transforming your room for Christmas with that. Or this. Oh my gosh. Literally just in Christmas heaven right now. This is amazing. Got some of these like door wreaths. They've got these ones. Oh, they've got loads of decorations for your house. So cute. Little indoor lights. What else have they got? This is literally a dream. I literally am having the best time of my life in here. Look how cute this little mug is. This is actually the best thing I've seen all day. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this throw. This will go with my bed and everything. Wow. Wowee. How much is that? I actually may get this right now. £18. That's not bad, is it? No. Wow. And it's so soft, guys. Honestly, wow.
I love the smell of this. Smell it.
These are all the Christmas flowers. Oh, is this the
smell it.
Winter Spice? I saw in Elle Darby's video. So I'm just about to smell the Winter Spice. I saw in Ellie Darby's Primark video that she sprayed this and it apparently smelled really good. So let's test it out. Oh, I don't want to get out my camera. Wow, that is so nice. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this in my room. Smell that? Oh, it literally smells just like Christmas, doesn't it? I love that. Oh, and they've got little candles. How cute is this? It's literally an elf bauble. That's just amazing. Wow. Okay, so I'm now home and we've just had the best time in Primark. I didn't really buy too much because I was literally trying to get this video done. We had like an hour till the shop closed because I always just fancy going to Primark on a Sunday, and Sunday is the time it closes at the earliest. Yes, I'll just show you what I picked up. So obviously you will see I've changed my top. I am honestly like in love with this jumper. It's my new favourite jumper for winter. I just think it's so cute. I'll stand up and show you a bit more kind of properly. Yeah, it's just like this. And it has this little roll neck around here. I just love it. I just think it's so cute and cozy. But yeah, I got this jumper, and then I'll just show you the couple of other bits I picked up. So I got this, which is these reusable travel jars, and we're going on holiday at Christmas. So I just needed some stuff to like get all my creams and face wash and stuff in. So I got those, and they were only £1.50. This jumper, by the way, was £13, so just for reference. I also got this, which is a sleeping face mask, and I don't know how this is going to be, but I just thought, how cute does that look? Yeah, so this mask was £5, and I just thought it'd be really cute to have, like, you know, just really relaxing to have a face mask overnight when you sleep. And it says it replenishes, it's anti-fatigue, and helps to plump and smooth skin. So got that. I actually bought my mum a face mask from this brand, and she said the face mask was really good, so I got that. Also picked up another pair of my favourite slippers. I got them in the baby pink colour. I was going to get the red, which I showed you in the video, but I feel like I'll wait a couple of weeks and then get the red when I'll go like full on crazy Christmas. So yeah, so I got the pink for now. This just got me so excited for Christmas. I picked up my Christmas cards. So cute. Look how these were only £1 for 20 cards, which I think is so good, even though everyone's now going to see how inexpensive my Christmas cards were. But I just think they're so cute, and I feel like everything sells out as you get closer to Christmas, so I picked up those. And also this, which is a little accessory set. So it's just blue and silver, and I love going all out with like decorating my presents. So the last two things I got were some earrings, and to be honest, I wasn't really that blown away by their jewellery section right now. I literally found honestly 2 pairs of earrings that I liked in the whole shop. So these ones, but the ones I got I really liked, so it kind of makes up for it. Yes, this is the first pair, and they're just little tiny little hoops. How cute are they? These were only £3. The other little earrings were £1.50. And I think I forgot to say how much this little accessory set was, £2. It was a really successful shopping trip. Some of the candles and the Christmas sprays were already selling out. So if you're a big Christmas lover, you better get to Primark quite soon, because I feel like it's all gonna go. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I absolutely love a good cozy Christmas video. This is the first of many wintry Christmas videos, so I really hope you enjoyed looking around Primark with me. I'm a big fan of Primark, so if you are new here, I'd absolutely love if you would stick around, join the little family and subscribe, because we're going to be having so many more cozy Christmassy videos coming very soon, and I'm literally so excited. It's going to be my first year on YouTube at Christmas time, so I just cannot wait for all the content that I've always wanted to do. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and so thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!